Dr. Amber here. This response is talking about laundry service, and I already provided a more practical response to this question, but I wanted to actually go deeper because when I first read this, I thought about all of the what ifs, all about the worries, all of the concerns that we often have before we're about to make a decision to accept a different level of help. And let's say we're talking about women and outsourcing or mothers and outsourcing, or it literally could be, your own health journey or maybe working with a therapist. Oftentimes what can happen is before you decide to take a leap and accept a different level of help, whether it's a professional help or outsourcing in some way, we have all these fears and worries and concerns about, well, what if this happens? What if that happens? What if this doesn't go well? What if that goes terribly? And what I want to say to you is that those what ifs will often come up. All the worries, all the concerns, all the bad things that can happen, you will think about it in that moment because right before you decide that you really need a higher level of help, you're more stressed, you're more at capacity, you're going to be worried. However, I want you to remember that the way things are going now is not working, and that extra level of help can support you in getting to the other side of whatever it is you're going through. So those worries are not as big as they feel in this moment.